All right, everybody. I'm out here again on the Galveston Bay over here by Seabrook, Texas. And before I throw this first cast, I kind of want to run down through my gear once again. So I'm using a Shimano Stratic. This is a 2500 series. I've got the Nighthawk. And this is a 7-foot medium light, which is a little light for a popping cork. I would much rather use a medium. I've got a 20-pound braid. This is Beyond Braid. I use a 20-pound mono leader. I've got a size 2 circle hook, and I'm going to use live shrimp. And I got a little split shot here. We're going to throw this first cast out into the structure over here and see what we can come across. First cast here. I think it might be a little late in the day, but we wanted to give it a try and see what we could come across here. And I'm hung up. Try again here. Oh no, dude. That looks like hang up action there. Gotta watch it. So there's some structure out here. We're gonna see if there's any fish hanging out in that structure, because as we know, fish love structure. We are on a high tide right now. The watercolor looks really good. It's a little windy today. I wouldn't want to be out on a boat. If you would, you'd have to hide. Got something here. See what it is. Feels something like something small, maybe. Little red. All right. Come across a nice little red, undersized, but still a lot of fun. Beautiful blue tail. Perfect size. Perfect size for a fun catch. A little bit bigger shrimp here, but let's give it a shot. Man, let me tell you, people have got to learn to start picking up after themselves. I'm actually out here with my buddy Robbie today. He's over there getting his pole ready. He didn't come prepared. Yeah.
Trying to get stuff tied on.
Right. Hey, I caught him right in front of those, so if you want to, right in front of those closest posts. Like, I'm a little further this way right now than what I'd like to be, but it's just how it worked out. I've been seeing a lot of activity just to the left of those, though. How deep are you? I think I just lost I had way too much slack in my line. Yeah, the wind will get you. Yeah, I knew it. I had a good bite and took off with it, but I had too much slack in my line. Yeah, you got to get your bearings on it. How to cap. Or it might be. Yeah, you got a long leader. Let's see.
That's what I'm saying. I might be too deep.
I don't know. You may start catching all the big ones, and I may make me a longer leader. A lot of our shrimp are dying. Ow. You might be perfect. Coming right behind you, Robbie. Somebody left their knife here. Yeah, and a lot of trash.
Man, I can't get out there that far.
Wonder why?
I don't know.
Maybe because your leader's so long. Oh, I got it that time. Yeah. Another red. Another nursery red. Another red here, small one, going back in the drink.
Be like Jason if I ain't careful.
Yeah. If you have to and you can't get that to cast right, you can always go get my other line and just take that deal and tie it on there.
Yeah, I think it's for some reason it just like, I don't know. I think I need to clean my reel with
The way that last red was fighting, I almost thought it was a trout. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah.
You pulling both up one of our stuff there.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to get further out.
For some reason, I don't know if it means it's a problem.
Are you sure? What power rod is that?
Oh, this rod is, it's a medium.
Yeah. Whoa, that was too far. I'm gonna get hung up in that structure.
See, when I get right here, for some reason, my reel's not feeling right. Alright, wind, I need a lull right here real quick.
Try to cast between the tall post that's over here and that, you say you got those three in a row, right between those. See if you can get between those.
Man, wind's catching me too bad. Come here.
It just won't get it out there, will it? I wonder if it doesn't have enough spring in the tip to get it. Uh-oh, that one there was not good.
Doesn't have enough bite?
Spring in the tip. I got a bad cast that time.
What action is that rod? Light?
This is a medium light, moderate fast.
This is a medium fast.
A moderate fast?
Just fast.
Oh, it's a fast. Medium and the fast. Well, that fast thought I'd mean it's got more flip on it.
I'm not letting you try to cast this.
Yeah, try to cast this one.
It might be operated. But I also don't have braid on here.
Oh, yeah, that's a big problem there. Yeah, you need to put braid on this line, dude, on this reel.
See how far out you get with that.
Probably not very far. I think it's the braid. I don't think it's the operator. Might be the equipment.
Look, I went the same spot with yours.
Really?
I think it's operated.
I think it's operator.
I told you.
What are you doing different?
I don't know. What am I doing different?
I don't know. I'm going to have to watch you.
Maybe I'm releasing too early and not realizing it.
Or too late. Or either one. It could be the one.
Either one.
See if I catch anything on your rod real quick.
I hope so it knows what it feels like to catch fish.
I don't know. I think the bite's kind of turned off, really, to be honest with you. And I'm using a circle hook.
Yeah, I didn't have any circles.
Do you want one? Since you got to swap it anyways?
Oh, did I not break my hook?
No, you still got a hook.
Oh, okay.
But you might want to shorten it up a little bit.
Yeah, I am going to shorten that some.
And then we're going to have to watch you cast and try to learn you how to.
I'll
We're going to try to learn. Because I grabbed that one like, whoa, I chunked it way out there. Well, I really didn't think so, but that time it was, Robbie. All right, so we've moved spots. We're gonna try to come over here. There's a bridge right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. But we're actually gonna try to do it. We're gonna fish from the bottom over here. We were getting hung up over there quite a bit, and the bite had slowed down. I caught a couple of reds, and that was it, undersized. So we're gonna move spots, see what we can do. Y'all hang in there. You gonna fish? Robbie's on already.
I think I lost him.
Think he lost him.
No, he's still there, small.
What is that?
Leave it up to me.
Robbie, what did you catch? Hey, you might want to chunk that back out there. Hey, put that in there. I might try, that might be the next thing I get. Let me get this, surely you won't eat up all of our shrimp, right?
I would hope not.
Hang on, let me grab that one. Wait, there's a bigger one in here. I guess that's it.
I'll grab a couple of them, that way I got one too.
Let's see if he goes in there and just goes to town. He'll be a fat croaker.
It might not have been much, but I didn't get skunked.
You did not. All right, here goes our first cast on this bridge. Robbie already caught a little croaker. Let's see what we can do here. All right, now we kind of wait. Got it. Yeah. Oh, I lost it. Oh, man, that was a good fish too, man. Oh. Boy, that was a good fish. It might have been a flounder or something the way it was. Whew, that was a good fish, Robbie. That's the way it goes, right? All right, guys, thank y'all for joining us on this trip that Robbie and I took here. We went to Seabrook, had a lot of fun. We just kind of made a quick trip. We did get on a couple of undersized reds, a few ladyfish. Robbie over here caught some trophy croaker. They were nice. But we had a good time, man. Let me tell you, I recommend it. If you can get out and go into God's creation, then I would, no matter what's going on, do it. You know, Robbie and I, we went out and we just caught a couple undersized fish. There's nothing wrong with that. Whenever you're on the bank, anytime you don't get skunked, it's a good day. So hey guys, if y'all would, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and ring that bell, and leave a comment. If there's somewhere that y'all would like me to fish near the Galveston and Houston area, send a comment, put it in the comments. I'll try to go. Until next time, guys, remember that Jesus is Lord, and tight lines.